Earn more, save more, invest more, and give more. Because it's actually better to give than to receive. Wow. The last few days have been crazy in the market. It just goes to remind us you never know what's around the corner when it comes to the stock market. It is a wild ride. It's been a few weeks since we've talked about Palantir, and some of you have been requesting an update video, so here it is. We are still extremely bullish, just so you know, especially with our recent demo day. We're now up over 170% in our Palantir investment and could not be more happy holding such an incredible company. The best is yet to come. As we always say, we're not financial advisors, and this is just for informational purposes only. We just like sharing our thoughts, some research, and parts of our investing journey. Always do your own due diligence and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Stick around till the end of this video for some great bonus info. This is the Moonshot Money channel. I'm Chase Vickers. Are you ready? Let's go. Woo! Hey Moon Crew, we need your help on this channel. Let's get the word out, build up the subscriber base, and hit that like button. We really appreciate comments like Sharif Gabriel left on our last video. Sharif sees value in this channel and wants to help us, and I know you do too. We appreciate all that you do for us. Follow us over on Twitter at MoonshotMoney1 for between video input. Okay, Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR, really is a special company. Teams of people, skill sets, and disruptive ideas in software products like this don't come along too often. We know some of you got in early like we did, and you're sitting on a very nice gain. Listen, it's all good. This is just the beginning. So hold what you've got. Have you seen any of the demo day presentation that's happened on January 26th? If you are an investor or if you're thinking about becoming one, you need to watch it. Can I just say, impressive. The stock price went up around 18% and since has drifted back down. We are confident about one thing, and that is volatility with the price. Palantir's price to sales ratio is a bit inflated, so the pullback was expected. We pay no attention to short-term price fluctuation. The presentation started with them pointing to their amazing product upgrades and business upgrades. Palantir software supports businesses on multi-levels. So when the product gets better, so do the businesses. Gotham used to be intelligence analysis only, but now it's being used for defense operations and mission planning. Our military just got better because of Palantir's Gotham. Got better. Foundry is quickly becoming the central operating system for individual businesses and even entire industries. In the presentation, they said, our software functions in a way that provides the integration between all these various silos of decision making that allows you to turn surprises into opportunities and to turn opportunities into alpha. So Palantir helps our government as well as businesses to thrive in chaos. So the more chaos, the more opportunity. Palantir's usability is also its real superpower. Gotham and Foundry are providing two important factors, speed and ease of use. Time is money, and if it's too difficult, no one wants to use it. Palantir flexes its muscle in both categories, as you'll see in the demo presentation. Check this out. Palantir's customers can actually build their own SaaS, or software as a service, on top of Gotham and Foundry. That's killer. That makes them super sticky, kind of like Apple products. You can't just pull away and start over from another company once you've got an iPhone or your iPad all set up. The softwares allow customers to compile millions of data points and then ask questions and quickly get predictions, possibilities, and recommendations for decisive actions. Plus, there's an upcoming mobile offering with the same point-and-click tools on the desktop version. They are just getting better and better. You've got to think early Microsoft to find a comparison on this scale of software power. So Palantir thrives in chaos, and their products are fast, easy, and sticky. Can you say growth? You've got to watch the Gotham part of the video presentation. If you watch it, you'll be blown away. It's like watching a Hollywood blockbuster spy thriller movie. Here's a little sample. Here's a powerful concept. Gotham can function in difficult places and remote places where the bandwidth is limited and access isn't great. Plus, the software tools will work even when the software goes offline. Think about that on the battlefield. They said, at Palantir, we build Iron Man suits, not robots. Our goal is to protect and augment our warfighters, not replace them. Even with this incredible artificial intelligence, Palantir is for the people, for the workers, and for the soldiers. Palantir solves real-world problems, from the top of the organization to the bottom, from the leaders to employees, from the commanders to the soldiers, and it just gets better and better with usage and time because of the AI. Security, you may ask? They are dealing in classified, top-secret national security. They are becoming the first SaaS authorized for the United States Department of Defense Impact Level 6. This will allow them to quickly scale across any secret networks. Who else is doing this? Not Snowflake. No company is like Palantir in these regards. Let me say again, no company. When it comes to DoD Impact Level 6, you cannot play around. Hope so or pretend. You have to stand tall and do what you say you're going to do with no mistakes. This is Gotham. Now, can you apply those same impacts to Foundry? And just imagine the possibilities across all industries, including the exploding space industry. Just hold on to your shares with diamond hands. We are not worried at all about short-term price action. We are long-term owners. Be aware though, there's a lockup expiration coming, coupled with earnings. So we don't know how those will play out in the short run, but don't be shaken by what happens in the short term. Know what you own. It's happening. We promised you some bonus information, and here it is. On January 28th, Palantir announced a multi-year agreement for its Foundry platform with the world's leading mining and metals corporations, Rio Tinto. Rio Tinto's CIO said, "This partnership is an important step in our digital transformation, enabling fast-paced, forward-looking decision-making across our operations, leading to improved results in safety, cost, and production." This is just a week-old example of where Palantir is headed and what their software products are capable of. Here's a final bit of info for you from January 19th of this year. Pacific Gas and Electric Company, California's largest investor-owned utility company, has initiated deployment of Palantir's Foundry software to provide single integrated platform to giving decision makers a real-time, complete operational picture. This multi-year, multi-million-dollar contract marks the very first time Palantir's Foundry software is being used by a major utility company. How many more will follow? These contracts like Rio Tinto and Pacific Gas and Electric are going to continue to roll in over time, growing the revenue. You can see it coming from a mile away. It's happening. Now, Moonshot Money needs you to subscribe, ring that bell, and hit the like button. We're trying to get great information into the hands of all of you, and we just ask for a little bit of help building this channel. Moonshot Money 1 over on Twitter connects us there. Earn more, save more, invest more, and give more. And remember, if you're not interested in your money, someone else is. Have a great day, everyone, and we'll see you next time. Woo!